Today we are going to talk about a specific test for male pattern alopecia or androgenic alopecia. It's a gene polymorphism based diagnostic test that will predict the chances of future androgenic alopecia development, and it is now in the market. For young patients concerned about hair loss, this test may help to define the value of early treatment initiation. In males, the gene test can predict the chances of male androgenic alopecia by reporting the presence or absence of a specific variation in the androgen receptor AR gene found on the X chromosome. The variant AR gene causes changes in the hair follicles' response to dihydrotestosterone, resulting in alteration in the hair growth cycle. A positive test result indicates a 70% chance of developing male androgenic alopecia, whereas a negative test result indicates a 70% chance of not developing male androgenic alopecia. The test is of value as a screening test in predicting the future chances of developing androgenic alopecia rather than a confirmatory test. Recently, a gene test has been developed that is designed to evaluate an individual's response to finasteride therapy. The test is based on significant association of specific variations in the AR gene and the likelihood that a man will develop to finasteride therapy. The test provides the patient's CAG repeat length score in the AR gene. A shorter CAG repeat length less than 22 is associated with the greater likelihood that the patient will experience a significant benefit by using finasteride for the treatment of male androgenic alopecia. The genetic test for finasteride response helps determine if the patient will have a slight, moderate, or great response to the finasteride treatment. So this is the latest treatment test for the androgenic alopecia called as genetic testing for the AR gene on the X chromosome.